Which is quickest in a drag race, a McLaren Senna or a Lexus RCF drift car? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over a standing quarter mile because I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. Buy, sell, Carwow. Let me tell you about this McLaren Senna. It has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8. It puts out 800 horsepower and 800 newton meters of torque. Drives the rear wheels via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. It weighs in at 1.3 tonnes, and new, this car costs £750,000. Though it's gone up in value. It's worth about 1.2 million now. That Lexus drift car, do you know what? Let's speak to its driver. It's Ahmed Darham. Ahmed.
How are you, mate?
Perfect. I'm doing good. And you?
Yeah, I'm good. Though I'm a little bit concerned. Your car looks a little bit insane. Can you tell me about it? What exactly is it? It looks like an RCF that's been heavily chopped about a bit.
Yeah, it's not your typical drift car. It looks like an RCF. The only thing left from an RCF is the front and rear badge. It is a fully swapped Lexus RCF drift car with a 2JZ, 1,200 horsepower engine, 1,000 newton meters of torque, 1,250 kilograms. I'm about to beat a McLaren.
Whoa, wait a minute, right? So you've got more power, more torque, less weight. This is not fair. I thought bringing a Senna to a drag race, I was going to win. Then you turn up in that. But let's be honest, that car is not designed to go in a straight line, is it? Aren't you the Middle Eastern drift champion or something?
You do have the advantage. This is the first time ever the car is going to be driven on a straight line. I'm going to be doing something in the car that it's not used to, and I'm not used to, but hopefully we can keep it in a straight line.
So, Ahmed, can you tell me a bit about your history?
I've been into motorsports since I was 13 years old. I'm the 5-time Middle East drift champion. I have a Guinness World Record for the longest twin drift. And yeah, I have around 150 podiums. So I think I have enough trophies and I might add one today.
Don't get too confident because I've actually won 160 drag races on Carwow. I would say that, I'm just as experienced, if not more so, especially when it comes to drag racing. I think you might be getting beat, mate.
I'm just hungry for this one.
All right, then, now, if you like these kind of videos, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way, you won't miss a single upload, and we've got some amazing other drag races coming soon. Now's the time for the obligatory Carwow sound check. So I'm going to rev up this Senna. Let me start it up. Whoa. But rather annoyingly, a soft limiter at 4,000 RPM, even though this thing revs up to 7. Right, I bet his car's going to sound better. Go on, Ahmed.
You're about to win your first battle, and that is the sound check, because I'm sure
your drift car with its 2JZ engine,
it's going to just sound way better than this.
Oh.
What do you think of that, Matt?
I tell you what, that is quite literally shots fired, isn't it? Oh my God. Right, okay, let's move on to the race because I don't think that's going to matter. Your car's going to make all the noise, but I'll be making all the noise when I cross that finish line first, all right?
We'll find out in a bit.
Now, before we race, if you're thinking about selling your car, you can do it through Carwow. You're probably not going to hear what I'm saying with him revving next to me. All you have to do is upload some photos, give a brief description, then dealers all across the country will bid on your car. Then you just pick the highest offer, they'll come to your house, take the car away and put them in your account. It's so simple. If you want to find out more about that now, click on the pop-out banner up there for the link in the description below. If not, just simply Google "Help Me Carwow" and we will help you sell your car. Right, let's prepare for the race. Okay, Ahmed has put on his helmet and he's warmed up his tyres, so he's getting serious. I've just been sat here. Anyway, it's fine. I'm in a Senna, I'm gonna win. Had him off the line, absolutely dropped him. Come on, Senna! Hey! 1-0 to the road car. What happened, Ahmed? I seem to win by quite a substantial margin.
Okay, I thought we have to leave as soon as he puts his hand down. So you left before, so I lifted off.
It sounded like some form of excuse. Anyway, I'll let him off. It's his first go, you know, at driving in a straight line. Oh, this is closer this time. Come on, Senna! Come on! Whoa, it's sideways! Come on! So Ahmed, what happened there?
Oh man, I had wheel spin from first to fourth gear.
Would you like another go?
Yeah, for sure. One more. Maybe two more even.
Okay, you'll be getting some heat into your tyres, so it should help you. I'll be a sport, I'll let you have another go. Let's have a look what's going on here. Just getting a little bit of a check over. It looks like he's doing something. Maybe he's programming the car to alter the boost. Ahmed, are you alright? Is he doing some work? Has he forgotten to file his tax return or something? Is that what he's doing? Maybe finding out about which car he should buy next through carwow. Yeah, that's probably what he's doing. Yeah, so if you're thinking about buying a car, you do it through carwow. You can just check out all our reviews and then see what offers you can get through our trusted dealers. Once again, if you want to do that, just simply Google "help me carwow." I think you need some help from carwow to win. Come on, Senna Hook. Oh! Lost him again. This is so fast.
You're just too fast off the line, man.
Yeah, this thing hooks up. Your car is designed to spin its wheels, not get traction. This is designed to get traction because it's basically a race car for the road. So yeah, you had no chance at that. Oh well, I won. Oh, and I remember I was going to make all the noise, yeah? Sorry.
Although I was catching up in the end, man. Let's do one more time and then we'll do the rolling.
We can leave it there. If you don't think you're ever going to do much better, we can just leave it there and go into a rolling race.
Let's do one more time, then we'll do the rolling race.
He wants another go. He's a sucker for punishment. So Ahmed's putting some fuel in his car, and I think he's also using it as an opportunity to do some more tinkering on his laptop. Maybe he's got a few more Instagram posts to send, you know. Actually, if you want to follow him on Instagram, there's a link in the description. While we're at this, I should say a huge thank you to Red Bull for making this all possible. Thanks, Red Bull. All right, Ahmed, this is it. Last go. No more chances, no more excuses. This is the last race we're going to do. Good luck. You're going to need it. Oh, what? This stalled off the line. But it came back. Oh! Do you know what? This car stuttered a bit off the line there, and I thought you were going to have me, but fortunately once it got going, it beat your drift car. You're struggling to put your power down.
Let's see if the road racing will be a little bit better.
Before that though, let's do the thing.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the McLaren won, completing the Stanley Quarter Mile in 10.7 seconds. The Lexus took 11.2 seconds.
Now we have a rolling race, second gear from 50 kilometers an hour. The first to the quarter mile cones wins. This could go in his favour. I might not be shouting so loud after this, but let's give it a go. Come on! Come on! That's too quick.
Matt, it turns out I cannot hear the honks.
Okay, we'll do it with visual. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's close now. Come on. Come on, Senna. Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Whoa! Whoa, what's he doing? Woo! Oh my God. How is it all right? Well, it's kind of all right. Whoa.
Brakes faded.
Your brakes went?
Yes! I think because we did too many runs back to back.
Okay.
And these are not meant for... So yeah, we're all good, okay.
It's okay?
Yeah. Just need to wash it. But that was close.
That was very
That
close.
was really close, man. Just off the line.
Yeah.
There's no grip.
Yeah.
Oh,
it was so close.
This one I think it's...
Do you know what the next challenge is?
What?
It's the brake test, and I think you might have just lost it.
No, we need to cool them.
Okay.
We definitely need to cool them.
We'll cool them down, but the car's okay.
Yeah, it's running.
That looked very special. Do you know what I thought?
Do you know how I stopped it on the handbrake?
Yeah, so I thought, oh, Ahmed's showing off, he's going to drift round that guy.
I was like, over stops.
We'll wait for them to cool down,
Yeah.
check your car over,
Yeah.
and then give it another go. That was a bit exciting. The Senna's brakes, by the way, they're doing fine. Ahmed has now had his car fixed and his brakes have cooled down, so we can have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. I'm not sure how this is going to play out, but anyway. If you'd rather watch another drag race, another cool drag race with some Red Bull vehicles, click on the pop-out banner up there, follow the link in the description below. If not, stay for this brake test. It's going to happen. Right, here we are, here comes the line. Come on. ABS for the win. I just realised, obviously being a racing car, you don't have ABS, do you?
Unfortunately, no. No ABS and no AC.
So I've pretty much stacked the odds in my favour in every single event.
Except for the noise.
Except for the noise. That's right, you won the first challenge, which was the noise.
And if it was a challenge about going sideways, you would most definitely have won.
Anyway, Ahmed, listen, thank you very much for taking part in this. It's been a blast, and that car is insane, and I'm glad everything is all right, even though you went at the end of the runway.
Thank you, Matt, and thank you for the cars, for everyone at Carwow. Honestly, this is something I've been wanting to do for maybe 2 years now. Drag race my drift car, and I really enjoyed it. And hopefully, thankfully, everything went well. And thank you guys again.
Anyway, I want to say huge thanks to Ahmed Darham for bringing his Red Bull Lexus RC drift car down for us to play with, and I'm glad that it's going to be able to go back in sort of one piece. Remember to follow him on his Instagram account, links in the description below. Now let's watch Ahmed do some serious drifting. That's what that car is designed to do. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, click on those windows there for some more videos, and on that box there to sell your car through Carwow, and dealers across the country will bid on your car.